Good morning, everyone. Welcome to LANREX Academy. If you are coming across my channel, please do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so you won't miss out any of the when I drop it. So, in this video, I'll be explaining this particular Telegram update. This is called ATF Miner. So, based on my research and my review, so I started to test run this bot. It's called ATF Miner. So when I use this bot for some days back, I got paid from this bot. So that was on 22 of this month, 2026. So I got paid I received 702 ATF, which is as of now is equivalent to $1.4. So that's the amount I got paid. This token is equivalent to, for 500 of ATF is equivalent to $1. So for this 700, they remove the fee of 70. So the remaining one is, as of now, is equivalent to $1.46. So let's go back to the Telegram bot so I can explain some things to you. Now this ATF is on Ton blockchain. This ATF coin token is on Ton blockchain. So when you want to start, I'll be dropping the link to this particular bot in the comment section. So just go there, click on the link. When you click on the link, you direct you to this interface. This is how your own also looks like. I'm also using a new account. So when you click on the link, you direct to this page. The first thing I'm meant to do is to connect your wallet. So I'll be explaining how to connect your wallet this video. So just come here, you click on connect wallet, because if you didn't connect wallet, you cannot mine anything. Click on connect wallet. So you can either use your Tonkeeper, any of your Ton wallet. So make sure it's Ton wallet you are connecting. So just come here, connect Ton wallet in Telegram. I'll be using my inbuilt Telegram wallet. So let's connect it. So you click on connect. Just click on connect. So I've been inputting my passcode. So click on done. The passcode is your phone code. Just input it. So next thing I'm going to do is click on start. Okay, that's still verify my wallet. Just hold on, that's still verify my wallet. Okay, it's saying claim wallet. Let's connect it again. Okay, let's move outside. Let's open it. Start. Guys, it's not connected. So if you're showing connect wallet again, now it's not. Just go back. Just exit the bot and come here, connect wallet again. Because if you didn't connect your wallet, you cannot mine. So when your wallet is connected, you see something like this. That means it has been connected successfully. So what you just need to do, 4 plus 8 is 12. So just put 12 here, then click on continue. Then you click on continue. So then it will start mining automatically by itself. So all you just need to do is you just sit back and let it mine. Then after some time, you can come here and claim it. You can also do some tax here. Come here, tax. There are a lot of tax here. So that tax, they really update that tax. So just come and check if there's tax here, then do all the tax, all the social media tax. So I'll explain this part. You so you can just claim it. So whenever I want to, next thing you're going to do, you're meant to do is come here and verify your account. So these are the referral account. On the sheet of, just take a plain sheet of paper, write your Telegram ID there, then sign there, put today's date, and write ATF in large letters. Then tell someone to help you to video the stuff. Just give someone your phone and tell someone to just 8 seconds video and just say I'm not a robot. Then place that paper in the front of the camera boldly. Then you can see all what is written on that paper. Then they should snap you also. They should take a photo of you holding that paper with your signature and date on it. Then you are going to upload it here. You send your document for them to review it. So After sending your document, they will review it, then they will tell you if your account is verified or not, or maybe there are some errors in your verification there. Maybe you should try. So make sure you don't loot. You can just send your referral link to your friends and family for them to for you to earn more. But don't loot on your device unless the security system is very tight. If you should loot, they will flag your account, and when they flag your account, all your effort here is being wasted. So just come here, just make it to mine by yourself and do stacks. So and then claim, just keep claiming. So when you reach 500 ATF, then you can place your withdrawal. So this is how you place your withdrawal. Just come to your profile, and click on your profile. You come to withdraw, then you can see it. Your minimum withdrawal is 500 ATF and the fee is 70 ATF. That one, the last withdrawal receipt I showed you earlier. So that's how to withdraw. So the update is very easy and it's very okay. So let's lock it into this. So and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. So bye for now.